is the thing that bugs me the most in dental photography. Hi, I'm Dr. Cage, and welcome back to my channel where I talk about everything dentistry. Today, we'll be talking about how to prevent fogging of your dental mirrors. So one of the most common ways that's been used to help preventing fogging is just to go ahead and use an air water tip syringe. The problem with that is you do need an extra set of hands. That actually works well. But sometimes when your intention is to go ahead and just blow air, some small water droplets actually comes out and gets onto your mirror. Such a pain in the butt. And if you're a student or a resident like I've been for the past 3 years, you don't have an assistant. So we need a solution that will allow you to take good dental photography with no fogging with only 2 hands. The next common solution that I've seen is using a warm water bath, whether that's with a green bowl or with one of the metal water baths. The problem with that is that it's water, so it makes your mirror dirty. So after you've warmed your mirror up, you then have to clean it off, which takes time. The third most common way is by using a fan. It's a specialized fan that clips onto your mirror and it blows a steady stream of air, just like the air water syringe, but except you don't need an extra set of hands. The problem with that, you guessed it, it's expensive. And imagine dropping one of those things on the floor while you're trying to juggle all of the things that you have to take to clinic. Yeah, and the last common method that I've seen is to use a mirror warmer. So that's either a container that you put your mirrors in that will warm them up, or something that you lay on top of. But again, it is expensive. And as a student, a resident, or as a dentist who you have to be smart with your money, it's still a lot of money to spend. If you're curious to know just how expensive these products are, or to read a little bit more about this magical solution that I'm suggesting, be sure to check out my blog post. It's at drcharliecage.com. Check it out. Subscribe. Join the angels. I would love to see you there. So my solution to having fog-free mirrors in your dental photography and to have it also be very affordable is a heating pad. Yes, a heating pad. I mean, I didn't come up with this. I'm going to be honest. I was searching the internet, Googling how can I find a solution that isn't crazy expensive. And I found this tiny little line on Spare Education website that mentioned using a heating pad. I mean, wow. I already use a heating pad, and I've figured out that if I take off the cloth lining, it's now a plastic that I can use and wipe it down. So that kind of eliminates any infection control issues. The temperature is ideal, it's modifiable, and the good thing is it's easy to carry around. The issue that I had is the one that I have is quite big, and I wanted something that was more compact. So I went on Amazon and I found a 9x9 heating pad that I can remove the cloth cover. There's an auto shut off. So I got it. And it was time for us to do some testing. So I took this heating pad to the clinic. I put a mirror on top of it and I timed it. Within 4 minutes, I was able to have an evenly heated mirror that I can use to take my pictures. I was able to take a full series of photographs. Yes. And then I even timed it further and found out that I had up to 12 minutes on a low setting to have for my patient a comfortable heat level of those mirrors, which will allow me to take fog-free pictures. I mean, yes. It was compact, so it was easy to carry around. It didn't take a lot of space on the counter. And in case if I forgot to turn it off and leave the room, it would shut off by itself. And guess what? It was under $20. Yes, at the time of recording this video, it was under $20. This magical heating pad, I will leave it in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. I mean, it's a wonderful tool that I think has been absolutely helpful in my dental photography. I mean, look at the size of this. I'm pretty comfortable with it, and it does a great job. I've been learning so many tips and tricks, and I'm still obsessed with learning even more about dentistry. I try to keep up my best with blog posts, so be sure to subscribe so that you are notified when I've given up more information. And if you want to level up your game and do more aesthetic dentistry, I have a quick short course on how to do that. It's short, but it's pretty meaty, okay? I've learned a lot in the last 3 years, and I've decided to go ahead and put all the information that I've learned in this short course to help guide you with how to treatment plan aesthetic cases. Honestly, that's one of the most difficult things with aesthetic dentistry is the planning. I hope this was helpful for you. If you do a lot of dental photography, please let me know how you warm up your mirrors in the comments below. If this was helpful for you guys, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to join the angels, and of course, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.